What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Meli. If you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe. If you love beauty content, hit that little subscribe red button. I also have social media down below if you want to follow me over there. And today we have Ipsy. It came really late this month. I saw that there was something backtracking it. It was supposed to be here like more than a week ago, but it's all right. We're gonna jump into it today. So this is the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. These are sent for PR or for review purpose. So I love to, be honest with you guys and share that with you guys. So we are gonna jump into this bad boy today. So I already see the little glam bag, the little mini one, so we'll jump into this one first. The only thing that kind of confuses me sometimes is that I'm not sure, because sometimes there's products outside of here, so I'm like, which ones go where? So I'm thinking this is everything that comes in this bag. It's super cute. I love the fact that it has like different female and they're all like holding hands, like let's support each other. Yeah, girl power. Okay, so this, oh, it says confidence comes from within. That's so cute. Okay, so let's see what's in this little bag. So first thing in here is the KVD Lock-It translucent powder. I remember actually owning this and it was kind of getting old, so I got rid of it. A lot of the Kat Von D like old stuff I got rid of. I just wish that they would change the name, like fully change the name, like not even KVD, just start a whole new brand. Like maybe keep the aesthetic, but start a whole new brand. But I really enjoyed this powder, so I will go ahead and add it to my collection and use it. I remember it being a great setting powder, so we'll be adding that. Next thing in here is the Sella scrub. So this is a nice little face scrub. Is it face scrub? It just says skin scrub, so I guess you could use it for everything. Yeah, basically you use it for everything. But it has orange, cedarwood, and patchouli. These really smell really nicely. I remember look, I have their hand cream and I really enjoy it as well. This is the one with lavender and it's really calming. So this one's, I can just imagine that this is going to smell delicious as well. So let's just take a, yeah, it has like a really nice organic smell, which I enjoy. So really nice. We'll be popping that into the shower. Next thing in here is the Cocoa Kind mask, and this is a resurfacing sleep mask. So I haven't heard of this brand, but I love a good sleep mask. And then the last thing in here is the Saint Luxe highlighter in rose quartz. I think I might give this away, so I'm not going to touch it, but I'll just show you guys so you guys can see how pretty it looks. Oh, it looks very subtle. I don't know. So yeah, but it looks like a shade I already own. A lot of these highlighters tend to start looking the same, and I hate hoarding stuff. Like I want to give back to you guys or give back to friends and family. So sometimes if it's something that I just feel like I know that I'm not gonna reach for a lot or use, I like to give back. So next thing in here is the Glam Bag Plus. So let me see. Okay, so this is the bag. Oh, the same theme with the girls holding, and it has the same little message on the inside. Super cute. I love these for like gifting things. I will end up like putting stuff in here and then giving it to a friend or things like that. So I usually I have a drawer and I keep them in there, and then when I have to give someone something, I usually like pop it in there. I just think they're cute. Okay, so first thing in here is the Item One Hit Prime Set and Refresh Dewy Finish Face Mist. I actually tried this out today when I was doing my makeup. I was like, yeah, I need to try this baby out. I love the packaging on this. I just feel like it's so different. So I've never heard of this brand Item, so I'm gonna try to follow them on Instagram, but the spray on this is so nice and just like a very sheer mist where you don't feel like it's too wet, but then it hydrates and really sets your makeup. So I really, really enjoy this. Yeah, buddy. And look how cute. When you open it, it says a dose of self-love. I love like positivity and like So this actually has aloe vera and tiger grass to help calm and smooth. It has lavender and rose water to help tone and brighten. And it has sodium hyaluronate to hold in your moisture. Yay! And it doesn't smell like anything at all, even though it has the rose water. Next thing in here is this Plum Promotion Belle in Argent palette. I don't know if I want to keep this or not because it's so beautiful. Look at this. Look at this packaging. Oh, it kind of makes me want to do something for Instagram. You know what? I'm going to keep it because it's just so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. That is like... woo, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. So I think I'm just gonna keep it and maybe do a reel for you guys on Instagram. And look how cute the little eye is in the mirror. That is just, she's fancy. So let me just swatch a few of these and see how they swatch on my fingers. So you get quite a few mattes and then you get a few shimmers. Look at how, oh, that shade right there. Ooh, that rose gold. That is beautiful. And then you have a glitter shade. Oh wow, that is a pretty glitter. That goes on really, oh yeah. Yeah, I can see myself using that. Look how pretty that goes on. Yeah, definitely. Definitely right up my alley. We'll be doing a reel for you guys. So if you ain't follow me on Instagram, go follow your girl. So very pretty. The only thing bad with these kinds of packaging is that you get fingerprints all over them and then you gotta be wiping them down. But that is so beautiful, beautiful. Next thing in here is the Way leave-in conditioner. This is like a mini, so it kind of makes me think that it goes with the Ipsy, the regular bag. But I love Way. Their stuff for hair is absolutely amazing. I bought quite a few of their stuff, and I've actually tried this leave-in conditioner before and really enjoy it. It smells really nicely and fresh for your hair. Next thing in here is the Pure Lease Silk Glow BB based primer. This is a satin sheen natural glow for your makeup, and I actually have tried their what's it called? They're like BB cream, and I really enjoy it as well. So that's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and do a swatcheroo of this and see. Oh, it's kind of like a skin tone color. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, I love this kind of stuff for like as a base for your skin. I love anything that's like hydrating, dewy, glowy. I just want my face to like radiate that, especially like the older you get, the more you want it to look like dewy and glowy. Next thing in here are these brushes. Oh, these are cute. Oh, I love a good pink brush. That's one of the reasons that I fell for Luxie brushes. These are so cute. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna keep these. I'm gonna keep these because they're so cute. I try not to hoard stuff, but I can't say that I'm not a brush hoarder, because if you've seen my brushes, you're like, girl, stop. But these are so cute. Okay, Mama's gonna keep these, but these are so cute. Oh, look at the name. Okay, you probably won't see that, but the name on here is Miss Shady Lady. Is that not so cute? That is so cute. Okay. I'm having a moment, sorry. But these are super cute. So it has the smoky detailer, the come through contour. So this is probably, I don't know, it's too small for contouring for the, I don't know. We'll see. I might only keep the ones that I can really, the standout sweep and then the tapered contour crease. So some of these I feel like I would use, and then I might get rid of the ones that I won't. But these are so cute. I already know, like these, like the crease brush, this one for all over the lid, and this one, the Miss Shady Lady, this is like a perfect crease brush. These two, I don't know if I would use as much. I'd have to test them out, but these are so cute. Really, really cute. And this is from MOTD. I have used their brushes before and they are really nice quality. Next thing in here is Florence by Mills. This is the Glow Yeah Lip Oil. So this is to give you a glow, a pop of shine. It has African mango butter and Parkis flower. Okay, so let's see. Oh, that is a glow. That is oily as can be. It doesn't have really much of a smell, but a smell? Okay, it doesn't have much of a smell, but it's really, really glowy. I really like that kind of gloss, so really nice. And then there's some things from their brand Refreshment in here. Okay, so they have the Refreshment Breezy Deodorant. This is unscented. And it is like one of those like bar ones. I enjoy that. And this is, oh, it's aluminum free. So this is right up my alley. I do not use deodorant with aluminum. I, you know, have had family who's had breast cancer. And one of the things, they don't like 100% say that it's associated, but it's better for you to have less chemicals in your body. So I use aluminum free deodorant, and it's also baking soda free, so it's supposed to leave you fresh. So this one doesn't have a scent to it, and I love the Refreshment brand. They have been doing so good. And then this one, okay, let me actually, okay, this one has a scent and it's Pacific Fizz. I definitely see myself using this, so I will be trying these out. I love a good aluminum free deodorant, and this one actually smells really, really good. I love their shaving cream. Oh my God, if you need to try something from this Refreshment brand, it is the shaving cream for your legs. So good. I know that they sent it to me in PR, but as soon as that shaving cream is done, Mama's gonna be buying it because it leaves your skin so soft. It helps lather really nicely, so you get that really nice clean shave, and then it just hydrates your skin so nicely, and it has a really great smell. So I love that shaving cream. Okay, and then the last thing in here is they have the Refreshment Pearly Body Wash. This is the Citrus Spritz. So this cleanses and moisturizes and is just a lathering one. And let's see this. Oh God, it smells so good. It smells like the shaving cream. So I will be definitely using this body wash. Really, really nice. It seems like a really creamy body wash. I will let you guys know, but I really enjoy their, their Refreshment brand. I'm so glad that they're expanding and doing so many yummy things like for skincare and other things, because I feel like everybody and their mother has like a palette or makeup stuff. So I feel like, you know, them like Ipsy doing like a lot of this like shaving cream and stuff like that that hasn't been like really perfected, I feel like is so good. Anyway, so that is it for the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. Let me know what you guys think down below. Like I said, this was sent for a review purpose. I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. Subscribe if you ain't subscribed to my channel. Follow me on my social media. I don't know what's wrong with my voice today. It's like not coming out right. Anyways, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.